friends, what will happen if we keep the strongest chain made in Russia, China, and America under the hydraulic press? We all know that how powerful a hydraulic press is. It destroys anything in a matter of minutes. But which chain between Russia, China, and America will survive under the hydraulic press? Let's see. First of all, the chain made in Russia is placed under the hydraulic press. And friends, as soon as the weight of the hydraulic press falls on the chain, so as soon as the weight of about 25 tons falls, this chain breaks along with the hydraulic press. So now let's put the chain made in China under the hydraulic press. However, I have no faith in items made in China. And yes, the same thing happened. As soon as the weight of only 4 tons falls on this chain, it broke into 2 pieces. So let's put the chain made in our beloved country America under the hydraulic press. Before that, if you really love your country, then subscribe to the channel and write the name of your country in the comment section. And guess what, friends, even after falling the weight of 60 tons, hydraulic press cannot spoil this chain made in America.